want to see him cut a good donut. Oh, he's in four-wheel drive. That's amazing.
Looks so nasty.
That's the fun part. This truck looks kind of clean on the camera.
Do you do that crap with your truck?
I used to. God, I just don't know when to stop. It's so amazing. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at those tires. Marcus, I love you. I love you.